खीर नहीं होता जो मैं पहले यहाँ भी पी रहा था, वो आपको चाहिए?
नहीं नहीं
दही की तरह होता है।
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं पावा,
पेट के लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
मेरा पेट खराब है ही नहीं।
हाँ, ये भी है। Makes sense।
तो गल है, एक बंदा सोया हुआ था ना, तो उसके घर वाले उठा के कहते हैं ये सोने की दवा खा लो। तो कहता है मैं ऑलरेडी सोया हूँ यार, क्या कर रहे हो। और जी वीकेंड ठीक गया?
हाँ, बता नहीं आया था।
हाँ हाँ, वो कल आपकी गाड़ी का वो हो गया था वो जो,
वो तो उस दिन यार,
चलो
तो लास्ट दफा मैंने बताया कि मैं क्या आगे करूंगा।
ऑलराइट,
पुरानी गाड़ियां रखी हुई हैं।
ना स्नो में तो इसका मसला हो जाता है। इट्स ओके।
वैसे कामरान भाई, हालांकि मैं तो आपके साथ प्लान कर रहा था ना, वहाँ मिलते हैं।
कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके। All right, we are live. We are live. One thing to go is my these charts, which will bottle of water. Let's get that going. आपको लो. Okay. All right, let's do this. There's my flow bot. Let's do MES. Let's do leader. $351, 2. Control center.
आपको देखेंगे। गुड मॉर्निंग।
नहीं, गुड मॉर्निंग चार। मैं इधर मुंह करके बैठा हुआ था, आपके विजन में नहीं था। क्या हाल चाल है भाईजान?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
कल छुट्टी है, कल छुट्टी है।
कल छुट्टी है तो बोलना पड़ेगा कि कल छुट्टी है।
हाँ, कल कोई ना आए, कोई एरिया नहीं होगा, बैंक हॉलीडे। यूएस की बैंक हॉलीडे, सब कुछ बंद है। What is this? Ah, yes, the gold plated.
No, this is silver.
Yeah. जिस हिसाब से सिल्वर की प्राइस है, ये भी महंगी। ये जिस हिसाब से सिल्वर की प्राइस है, ये भी महंगा है।
ये $5 का एक है।
Wow, I know, but it is worth it. जितना मर्जी आपने अल्कोहल लगाओ। I don't do any of this. नहीं, वो अपडेट हुआ है, वो नीचे स्किप करें। वो नीचे 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 वो क्या लिखा हुआ है? नेक्स्ट पे जाएं। कोई अपना अकाउंट बना लें, मेरा ख्याल है विंडोज ओवरनाइट अपडेट हुई है। Yes. अच्छा लीडर है जी, ये वाला लीडर है. ओके.
अभी तो मैंने बनाया आप क्या होगा जस्ट ऐड योर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट अकाउंट अभी तो मैंने किया
All right, guys, I'll get started in about 2 minutes. Just gonna. But something. All right, let's do this. Good morning, everybody. Monday, November 10th, 9:04 a.m. Eastern. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in Win Lifetime in person as well as online. Let's get started. Let me double check one thing here. Close my trade from somewhere there. Okay. I hope my audio is okay for TikTok, for Zoom, for everything else, all in between. So, anything I say here is not financial advice, just for informational, educational, entertainment purposes only. I'm just a mentor here at superareas.com out of 8 mentors who um, does analysis. So I'll be with you guys until 12 p.m. And my job is to look at 3 markets, ES, NASDAQ, and so this is not a one-man show. It's an institute. If you're joining us for the first time since 2008, I got hired here 5 years ago. I'm a junior analyst, and my job is just to do commentary. End of the story. Along with me in my office is Mr. Majid, and maybe we get Mr. Jatin coming in doing his analysis. Right. So next door we have Ms. Tulip, and the next door we have Mr. Vikram. So we'll be taking you on a ride until 12 o'clock Eastern. For the next 3 hours, I'll be with you to do a bit of a commentary about how the market is going to go. I can't control the market. I don't know what will happen, but I'll just do my own mere analysis of market situation. So our R1 is done. So let's, before I even get into our levels or areas, let's write something important I have to say, and that is tomorrow we are closed. So the market is closed tomorrow. If you look at Forex Factory, you are on Tuesday, November the 11th. Markets are closed. So, okay. So it is called a Remembrance Day, I believe. What is it? What is November 11th is, okay. Why this is closed? It's a federal holiday called Veterans Day, so my stock markets may open for half day, whatever it could be, but just saying that tomorrow our areas won't be posted. Both offices are closed. We're not coming in. There's no live stream. There's nothing. So just know that. So let's do this on a great Monday morning on November the 10th. Today we have first snow of season in Toronto here. So I come from Orangeville area, Caledon North, East. So yes, lots of snow. So I'll show you around if we are done our trades for those are sitting from UAE, Australia. Well, our first winter is there. Anyway, let's look at some numbers first. So the market is crazy. On Friday, went to so low on Thursday, and it has all recovered as of today. Almost 60. Give me 1 second. So what are we looking for NASDAQ? What did NASDAQ give us range last night? The range for last night for NASDAQ has been 25,570. So our R1 is done officially. So let me highlight R1. 25,570 is done. And the low is 25,270, 269. Look at the numbers are so nice. So 300 points move. We are at R1. It is overbought slightly. It should come down. A good level would be expected high. I'll wait for Daniel's brief and then we'll go from there. Right now, it is testing the 240 mid band at the moment. So we'll worry about it later. Forex Factory says we have some couple of speeches and in Cleveland federal inflation that's tentative. So Thursday is important, CPI, and then Friday is important. But U.S. government may still shut down. You're looking at any time U.S. government could resume. So anyway, that's beside the point. Start my Purdia today. The 3 accounts got open. I can withdraw right now the $9,000 and call it a day. So I have $9,000 that I can take out, but I've chosen not to take out the money, and I'll trade, let's say $200 an account. End of the day, $600 US daily. From there, of course, take profit. I'm doing 3 pros, and what else? That's it. So we'll go however it goes, how the market reacts. Of course, waiting for Daniel's brief, and then we'll start our opening dukaan chilate hain. So we have highs and lows. Let's write down some pivots for today. What am we gonna light? So NQ high and low. NQ pivot is it's above base. So pivot. Where's the PP? Good morning, जी. Excited, as excited. We can't get Fridays excited. नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ आज अंदर है ना उस तरह की excitement नहीं दिखा सकेंगे जो. So where's my PP sitting? I can't see. Yeah, it's somewhere near S1. So 25,395. 25, somewhere in between. Yeah, so 25,394 for MNQ. 25,394 MNQ. That's what I'm doing. And ES pivot is somewhere. Where is S1, S2, PP? Okay, there you are, PP. So, okay, pivot for PP. ES का pivot किधर गया जी? हाँ, ये बचा S1 के अंदर ये. So somewhere around 6790 is the pivot for 6790. Of course, value area top, value area bottom is really, really low somewhere because the market did crash. What's the smaller amount you can start the trade? You can start, you don't need your own money, please. Do funded accounts, don't do your own funds, please. You don't need your own funds. We don't recommend investing into futures amount any of your own money until you know how to trade. So that's not recommended at all. Which price best for you still have take profit giving you the best deal for the dollar. Code is SuperAreas. And that is still the best because you're getting it for $90 and you don't have to pay a PFE. Right. Okay, Jatan Bhai, no problem. I will see you. Oh. Okay, let's close this trade, close at a market price. And let's close this trade. I'll worry about these ones later. And let's close this trade. Okay, another trade is done. And I have a couple of trades that are running. Where's my copier? Quant Tower copier, copy trading. All right. That is running. Where is my... So please tomorrow, nobody is coming in. Just don't please show up randomly in 7, 8, 9, and we'll go with 6. Stop. 6. So we still market officially is going to open at about 16 minutes. If you have questions, you can always send me WhatsApp and go from there. Let me just open up my WhatsApp to make sure things are good. Market may be open for half time with no areas, no nothing like that. So all right, so copier is running now. Let's take a look at this here. So Purdia, I shorted from around 19 or so. What's the best life advice you will give to this generation? I don't know. There's no advice to give. Just stay. I don't know. This generation is lazy. That's the problem I see. The laziest generation I've seen. They grow beard in terms of fashion, but they don't groom their beard. And, so if I call them pajama nations. They sleep in pajamas, they go to school in pajamas, they can do everything in pajamas. So that's annoying to me. Look at kids at high school. Nobody grooms themselves anymore. Yes, I will. I'll try to continue my classes on Wednesday. Yes, school should be in person. I'm not here to do analysis of kind of something. That's not a trading related question. So more philosophical. I don't have time for that. We'll worry about that when time comes around after 11. I have a list of people who have scammed me, and I wish they will never be successful in life. So, yes. Say real. I haven't sent areas yet. I'm always waiting for Daniel's brief, please. So I haven't started anything. I'm not picking an area until I get his brief, which is very important. Market is not going to close early. Market still is open. Some equities are open. Some things are open. There's no areas. There's no office. There's no volume. So why worth it? That's all I say. So it's not worth it. So of course. कल आना पड़ेगा बच्चों का स्कूल अगर तो स्नो पे हुआ तो फिर देखेंगे
नहीं कल तो स्नो नहीं
स्नो नहीं है लेकिन फिर बच्चों का स्कूल होगा तो फिर मुझे आना ही पड़ेगा देखें हम गप लगा लेंगे खाना शाना खा लेंगे और क्या अगर मार्केट खुली हुई तो वो ओवरबॉट ओवरसॉल्ड करते जाएंगे RSI कर लेंगे फर्स्ट पुल बैक कर लेंगे कल बैंक हाँ लेकिन I think it's called Veterans Day.
Yeah, it's
Veterans Day, right? So bank holiday is Canada में भी है ना तो वॉल्यूम नहीं होगा मार्केट खुली होगी तो आप अपने आवर्स रिकॉर्ड कर लें आवर्स रिकॉर्ड करते जाइएगा ना आवर्स
रिकॉर्ड कर लें
हाँ कर लें भेज दीजिएगा आगे से आ गया अप्रूवल आ गया नहीं आया तो ना सही मीनिंग कि अपने 9 to जब स्टार्ट 9 to 1 कर रहे हैं ना 9 से 10 11 12 1 तो हाँ 9 to 2
ओके
5 hours डेली है ना तो नहीं अभी तो वही कंसोलिडेट हो रही है R1 को तोड़ नहीं पा रही कहाँ से आ गए हैं यार कहाँ से आ गए उफ
कल मैंने ना ऐसे ही ट्रेड लगाया उन्होंने छोड़ दिया 1200 समथिंग वो भी सब मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार ये क्या हुआ तो आर्स बना के आपको कब भेज दें
नहीं आपके जब भी 2 weeks पूरे कंप्लीट हो गए अब आज आपका सेकंड वीक स्टार्ट हुआ है ना,
हाँ जी।
तो मुझे फ्राइडे नाइट भेज दीजिएगा ताकि मैं आगे से भेज दूँ। नो नहीं चला माजिद भाई आपका वो पीसी अपडेट के बाद क्या कहता क्या है, देखें तो सही।
ब्रो इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं मान रहा हूँ,
हाँ
मैं कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा देखिए
मैं अपना
आपका ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है ना,
हाँ,
ठीक है लॉगिन करें, ठीक है नेक्स्ट, वेरी गुड। अगर वेरीफाई अपनी ईमेल में आपको एक कोड गया है,
नहीं, I'm going to use my password,
नहीं
right?
वो ये
Use
कह रहा है,
password instead.
नहीं उन्होंने आपको
ये ईमेल मेरे पास, मुझे अब याद ही नहीं है ईमेल को।
अच्छा यूज योर पासवर्ड इंस्टेड,
ये मैंने
ठीक है
तो ये मैं करता हूँ, ये मुझे कहता रॉन्ग है।
ठीक है ड्राइविंग पे ना बड़ी अनोइंग होती है,
Oh my God.
इतनी स्लो गाड़ियां चलती हैं। अगर ना हुआ ना नया क्रिएट कर लीजिएगा,
नया क्रिएट कर
हाँ।
चलो ठीक। अब देखो दोबारा ये आ गया, हेलो एनेबल योर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट।
ठीक है ठीक है
दोबारा ईमेल मांगे।
अच्छा फिर कर दें न्यू अकाउंट, साइन इन ऑप्शन करें नीचे, ऑफलाइन अकाउंट जाए, अच्छा फिर आ जाता है। अच्छा एक न्यू क्रिएट कर लें,
ठीक है।
so come on, give me a pullback now, it's been up too long. Let's see, price is consolidating, meaning goes up since 22, meaning R1 came down 10 points, went back up 10 points, came down 10 points, went back up 10 points, came down almost 20 to 12, 8 points. Now it's back up. So it is annoying to see which way it goes. So yes, is heading back into R1. There you go. Little bit 925. We got back into 19. हो गया कुछ थोड़ा सा बहुत जा रहा आगे. So it's opening inside R1. So more chances are it will go to 23 is night session high. Let's see. Should give us a bit of a retrace for sure.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Microphone check. Assalamualaikum, sir. Walaikum salam. Ji Hikesh, good morning. Choice sir, good morning. Taimur bhai, walaikum salam. Good morning, sir. Bhai, good morning. Ji, good morning. Amir bhai, good morning. Vikas, Majid, good morning. Sunil ji. Jagdeep ji, good morning. Nick, Harleen, good morning. Rizwan bhai, Samir, Manish, Clifford ji, good morning. Manpreet ji, good morning. Quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our training floor not attended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decisions, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. And don't do what you think, and don't think you made money yesterday. You'll make it today. Always be on your toes. Always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses and do what you see. Don't do what you think and treat this market the very first day you treat. And all the areas we have on our SuperAreas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only. And we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell 2000, this is up, pressure is up, best is high to go low. And tomorrow, both Canada and US holidays, banks are closed, market will be closed, so no areas for tomorrow. And take off tomorrow. Europe will be open, so we will see a slow market, but best is stay away from the market. Very important week. This is a very important week because we have inflation data is coming, and they're opening up the U.S. Government, and we'll see at open what will happen today. Our S&P 500 high for the day is 68.63 to 75. Low for the day is 67.50 to 38. NASDAQ, our high for the day is 25.840 to 920. Our low for the day is 25,150 to 060 for NASDAQ. So Friday low to high 168 points, open with a gap and almost fill up the gap. If you see almost the second hour Sunday, the price came down and it hit very close to our 5 a.m. high of our Friday. Friday 5 a.m. high, very close to that price, just shy. And same thing with the NASDAQ. If you see, NASDAQ gave us 860 points. And NASDAQ also hit, if you see, went below 4 o'clock, Friday 4 a.m. Area. And it just hit that area. And in my opinion, gap is filled. Gap is filled, but we'll see R1 if R1 breaks, because right now it's sitting at R1 area and very, very strong pushing up on our Dow. If you look at the Dow and Russell 2000, crazy going up. Breakout night session high. Russell is banana right now. If you look, Russell is very strong push to the upside. So U.S. government open, definitely will see again a push to the upside. So overall, if you see Russell 2000, almost 89 points, 20 cents less. Very strong push to the upside. And same thing if you see Euro, when Euro started, it went down, and then we have a push to the upside. And exactly you see 7 to 8 and 8 to 9 Euro, very strong push to the upside. And right now Euro is coming down. Get inside the value area. British pound, I'm talking about that. British pound, Euro is below value area. If you see the Euro fill up the value area, morning it was below the value area. European session, it went inside and then came down and right now below. But British pound is getting inside the value area. Why? Because of R3 area. From R3, it's coming down. Same thing, Euro, British pound, Canadian dollar are exactly mirror copy. You see, first push to the upside, European session, all, even Canadian dollar went up. Even Canadian dollar was up in just 1.5 hours. It just crashed. It's just coming down and very close to our night session low area. And Euro, same thing. It's coming down right now from R2 area. Our crude oil was up this morning, but right now it's below PP. The base is down, and we'll see pressure is building to the downside on our crude oil right now. And right now just sitting at S1 and top of the value area. Actually, morning it get inside the value area, and value area sitting somewhere 59.60 area. So FDAX is up. FDAX still at high for the day, above R2 area, and still very strong push to the upside on FDAX. Gold went up $124 from Friday. If you see Friday after 11 o'clock, very strong push to the upside. And Friday low, I'm talking about Friday low till now. Friday, the low we had after 11 o'clock. It went up $124, and right now retracing back down somewhere, maybe 40.60 area. 40.60 area should be got tested for our gold. And then we have our copper, dead flat. Sunday open, we have a very strong push to the upside, and the whole night from this morning, it just dead flat, doing nothing at all. And right now sitting at PP area. Silver, same thing. If gold is coming down, look at the silver, 1.5 hour. It had a very strong push to the downside, almost more than $1 push to the downside. So far, $2. So sorry, not $1. It's from 12 to around 70 cents push to the downside. So $2.28 from Friday low. My God, that's a big push to the upside. $1 on silver is $5,000. Imagine if anybody who go long or take just $1 and you're done. From even Sunday, when open with a gap, it fill up the gap right away and then push to the upside. A very, very strong push to the upside. Out from our upper band, and silver is coming down. Gold is coming down, definitely silver will come down. There's no doubt about it. Natural gas, look at the outside cold and natural gas tank. It just went down to our expected low for the day. And for morning, it was pushing down. So right now, exactly at our expected low for the day, and still pushing down. Maybe supply is more, that's why we have this push to the downside. And Bitcoin, if you remember previously, Bitcoin was going up, and Friday we had a very nice push to the upside, $7,570. That's beautiful push to the upside on our Bitcoin, and then it just go flat. Whole night, it's just dead. It just in doldrum. And same thing with the Ethereum. If you look at the Ethereum, it's just mirror copy of, and both move in the same direction. So $459 push to the upside, and then it goes flat, just dead at PP. Both are cannot decided which way. Maybe they're waiting for, and now they're in the process of legalizing the cryptos in the US. And if got legalized, then we'll see a crash. Trust me. If people think it will go up, no. Then we'll see maybe somewhere 90,000 or 85 to 90. Why? they will push down, and then they will take these cryptos to the upside. Other thing, guys, this is a very, very important week. So tomorrow market is closed, Canada, US both, and then Wednesday. Today, just speeches are coming, 9:45, and then nothing. Inflation, nothing. That's tentative. They will move ahead. Wednesday, 9:20, 10 o'clock, 10:20, 11:30, then 12:30. It's like blast of speeches are coming until 4 p.m. whole day from morning till and why? Because they will announce Thursday our core CPI and CPI are coming, and I don't think so. They will have a proper data for that. That's why it's tentative, and all is they're moving. And same thing on Friday too. PPI, core retail sale, and retail sale is coming. And those are also, I don't think so, they will release. All data is pending. So very, very careful, guys. You have to be very careful. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here.
All right, if you took ES first pullback, you're done from the mid-band. All right, market shot up. Night session, it went and tested it. Let's see which way it's going now. I'm waiting for R2 now. For ES, waiting for R2, and for NASDAQ, same for R2, 650. Let's see. We got 50 more points to decide which way it wants to go. Because so far, ES is up 75 points and NASDAQ is up 435. So let's see. So yeah, R2 should work. My number is 656. 25,656 is, I'm planning to enter with NASDAQ. Let me place my orders. What's the dollar gap between two? 430 divided by 75. 430 divided by 75. It's almost $6 per ES to NASDAQ. Your clock, yeah, I'm behind. I'm ahead already. It's 9:38, so the streaming is delayed. That's normal. I'm 1 minute delayed online on the streaming. Okay, so we are heading to R2 very soon, and NASDAQ wants to break. So 656, we should get some resistance. Green to buy, red to sell. Because E is going to be outside of the 60-minute mid-band, upper band, very close. First pullback is done. It gave you guys well over 10 points, the first pullback on ES. हाँ, done हो गया जी. अब आपका अपडेट हो रहा है. ESR2 gap देख लें पहले. I think it should 38 would be a better number because last night's evening area is expected high is 40. So start taking your risk maybe from 38. Right now waiting for NASDAQ because Dow is up, everything is up, so all three markets are synced. Everything is in R2. Nah, मैंने
Actually, I was going to ask you, right? And then I thought,
नहीं ठीक है.
gap था ना?
हाँ. Gap वो छोटा बहुत 621. हाँ हाँ, अपडेट्स के बाद ऐसे इतना लंबा ले लेता है वो असल में। हमने इधर से निंजा से ट्रेड कर ले, निंजा के अंदर है। नहीं नहीं, मैंने तो कहीं कुछ भी नहीं शॉर्ट किया, मैं तो 38 का वेट कर रहा हूँ और उधर 656 का। कुछ लोग लॉन्ग लेके निकल गए हैं, खत्म पहला मिड बैंड से। Yes, R2 should be safe enough. It's almost what up? कितना आ रहा है जी? नीचे से 270 से आ रहा है, तो R2 पे रुकना चाहिए इसको। R2 is safe enough, correct. R2 का वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं। I'm planning 38 जी, 38 से risk start करूँगा. I don't know where it's gonna come from, but 38 is my risk starting. This time did not touch mid-band so much, but NASDAQ is 656. What my risk gonna start? Again, the computer is giving you 35 to 38, so the risk is gonna start anytime. NASDAQ has gone up to 640, so very close. Both are hitting R2. Because NASDAQ is not $475. It's gone back up. All right, one more time, 3 candle rejection. First, second, came down 3 candles and it's gone back up. We are inside R2 anytime now. Come on, 34.75, 643, 34.75. There you go. First pullback. Somebody made $219. Congratulations. There you go. First pullback and then done. अभी आपका अपडेट हो रहा है, इसलिए मैं ना विंडोज के अपडेट सारे बंद कर देता हूँ। हाँ हाँ, वो मेरा ख्याल है बस बड़े अरसे से अपडेट नहीं हुए थे तो वही गए। Let's see, 636, 656 is my NQ and MNQ, and 638, 838 to 6838 is my MES orders. Let's take this order right here. हाँ यानी 3525 के अंदर तो आ गया, एरिया के अंदर तो आ गया। एरिया से तो एग्जैक्टली 4 पॉइंट तो मिल गए हैं। तुम्हारा जो ट्रू एरिया था 35 से तो डन हो गया जी एरिया। So in that case, area trade is done. Official area trade is done. From 35 it returned. I was waiting at 38, did not take that. आप done हो गए जी, very nice, congratulations.
कितना अच्छा काम किया। दूसरा भी
दूसरा अब देखें, अब जाती है नैस्डैक गई है 647 से, हमारा एरिया 650, एरिया स्टार्ट हो रहा है 650 से, $3 से आ गई वापस। Another mid-band worked. Now SRES is building here. So second pullback worked, gave you a couple of points. Come on. I need a black candle to the downside. NASDAQ gave us from 647 to oh wow, that fell crazy. SRES worked. on ES, and it's coming down. That's testing 30-20 mid-band on ES. NASDAQ is pulling back up. It's a morning high, kind of missed by 3 points. 25,647. Okay, ES 30-20 mid-band is testing. Hopefully we'll go and retest it. So ES, my order did not pick up, nor NASDAQ. Both of them were sitting higher. There you go. Somebody jumped from 147. Very good, G. That's good. I didn't.
147?
नहीं वो 647 वो जब जा रही थी ना तो उसने कहा भाई मैं तो जा रहा हूँ साथ तो मार्केट बाय बिड दबा दिया. Yes, when we sit on border lines, we pay the price of not making money. That's normal. So for those who took ES, they're done. They're done their trade 4, 5, 6 points. ES over area from 35. So, and ES NASDAQ, we had predicted 650. It came down from 647. Let's see. Almost 47 से 595 तक गई है. $50. Let's see. First pullback, official one done जी. ES का first pullback 28 से done हो गया जी. आपने लिया तो लिया, नहीं तो नहीं.
Every second you almost.
Yes. जैसे दिन का ऑर्डर 49 पे था, वो भी नहीं गया, 50 नहीं गया, 56 नहीं गया, तो नहीं गया तो नहीं गया. It's okay. Going back up to test again. Let's see. 30 पे दोबारा आ गई है.
हाँ यार. चल.
साफ फोन तो दे दो. छीन दिए साफ फोन.
है. ये से. Yes. हाँ. दोबारा R2 पे जा रही है.
हाँ जी, दोबारा टेस्ट करने जा रही है. और तो
5 मिनट दो भाई.
now it's building SRES on 3020. Let's see.
एक्सपेक्टेड हाई सही रहेगा.
हाँ, expected high जरा R2 दोबारा भी हो सकता है. देखें नीचे से बहुत आ रही है, वो $78 नीचे से आ रही है. देखते हैं R2 टेस्ट होता है.
Right there.
$33. Let's testing. NASDAQ is inside the R2 officially. 54, 56. बस मेरा ऑर्डर तो पिक हुआ है. मेरा ऑर्डर तो पिक हुआ है 56 पे, couple of micros के साथ.
56 पे.
मेरा ऑर्डर 56 पे लगा हुआ था, अब पिक हो गया. हो गया जी, मेरा ट्रेड डन हो गया.
यार.
ATM फिक्स हो गई 56 से. डन. I'm done my trade. 56. Done.
R2 another done.
Yes, correct. आप जाए जिधर मर्जी मेरी तरफ से. लो जी. See you guys Monday. See you guys Wednesday. Done जी. Trade is done. Done. 56 पे ट्रेड लगा हुआ था, डन हो गया जी. Congratulations. If you took it, you took it. You didn't. End of the story. And close my trades. 56 was the number I gave you guys in advance. Thank you, Ji. 10 points done. 56, 20 points done. 10 points done. Congratulations, Ji. Congratulations, Ji. All right, 5 micros done. Ji. 656 का number आपको दे दिया था. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is a new thing I'm doing. If you're done, you're done. You're not done, you're not done. Enjoy. Take care.